Hi, this is Anthony Taggart from theswingengineer.com. In this video, I'll be discussing alignments. What are they, and why are they so important to the golf swing? Let's say you're having a lesson and the instructor says to you, during the backswing, raise your hands. Is this useful instruction? No, it's far too vague. What if they said, at the top of your backswing, make sure your hands are 5 foot from the ground? Now that's more detailed, but how are you to know when your hands are 5 foot from the ground? Unless you stood next to a tape measure, you wouldn't. This is where alignments come in. This time, the instructor tells you to raise your hands so at the top of the backswing, they're the same height as your right shoulder. Now you can do exactly what you're told with no problem. At the top of the backswing, you can pause, turn your head, and see how your hands compare to the right shoulder. And that's what an alignment is. It's the comparison between one thing and another. Alignments are how we measure a golf swing. They determine if a swing works or doesn't. When we're trying to improve our game and lower our scores, what we're really doing is improving our alignments. There are two types of alignments, internal and external. Internal alignments are where we compare one part of our body or the club to another part of the body or the club. The flat left wrist is an internal alignment. This is the relationship between the left arm and the club shaft when seen from face on. How far your hands are from your body at address is an internal alignment. It's the relationship between the spine angle and the arms. Left wrist cock is also internal. This is another comparison between the left arm and the club shaft. External alignments are where we compare a part of our body or club to an outside reference. The plane angle is an external alignment. It's comparing the horizontal ground to the club shaft. The right forearm being on plane or not is an external alignment. If the club face is open, closed or square at impact, this is another external alignment. It's comparing the club face with the target line. There is another type of alignment which encompasses both internal and external. These include straight lines, parallel lines, perpendicular lines, vertical and horizontal lines. I call these absolute alignments because they're instantly recognizable, making them the most useful. So that's a brief introduction to alignments. In a nutshell, they're a tool we use to break down the swing into manageable parts. This way we can better understand and fix our swings. If you'd like to learn more about alignments and which ones you should incorporate into your swing, you'll find the answers in my book, The Golf Enchiridion. Visit theswingengineer.com for more info.